I've put together an illustration to show you how simple it is to install one of my apron front sinks. The first thing that you do is remove the side supports and the front corner gussets. Once you've done that, you measure the width of the bowl and add maybe 1/16 of an inch or so for the cutout. And our guys have a lot of fun. And then you make the cutout. You can use a jigsaw. And once you've done that, it's time to prepare the sides of the cabinet on the top. You measure from the front to the back where the sink ends, and then you use a router to route that area down to 1/16 of an inch. The reason for doing that is that once the sink is in place, the top of the sink will be flush with the adjacent cabinets. And you're going to stop that router just beyond the back of the sink so that the cabinet supports the countertop properly. Once that is done, all you do is set the sink in place. It's that simple, folks. On larger sinks, you would want to run a 1x4 across the back to support that back flange. That's it. That's simple.